Our school has organized a workshop on ATM. In इस वर्कशॉप में हमने बहुत कुछ नई चीज़ें सीखी और हमने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में बहुत काम किया. And I am really interested in technology. In this workshop we learn new things and we know how to speak on front of teachers.
First we have done about Arduino and its introduction, and firstly we had made some projects and STEM based projects by which afterward we can learn easily how the STEM work.
इन्होंने हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताई, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट, एंड इन्होंने हमें बताया आर्डिनो का वर्क क्या होता है.
This is VK Singh, Principal Mother India Public School, Bajpur. And the past 4 days, the TME is having a workshop on different tronics and DBL and all that. And I find it's quite a good and healthy system to introduce to students to that technology. And I'm really feeling it in a different way that the students they were enjoying it and they were taking interest. Certainly, this is a very good effort, and the way it has been arranged is excellent. And I hope so that the same will continue in the future as well. So that the continuity must maintain, and it's a good initiative by the company, particularly when you are picking up students at root level. Certainly, a lot of budding scientists, those who are hidden, those who are almost tapped in their books and syllabus, they will come out, and they will come out in a nice way in the future.